Welcome to your midweek weather forecast, where the day starts off with some fog along the western and southwestern coastline. It's associated with a weak cold front moving through the Western Cape, and that brings in quite a bit of cloud with it. And with the low cloud, we're expecting a very slight chance of light rain over the extreme southern part of the province. It'll be a mostly clear Wednesday over the western, southern and eastern part of the country, with a sunny and dry day over the central and northeastern parts. Our rainfall probability map shows a predominantly dry day across South Africa, with a slight chance of light rain along the Western Cape coastline and a 40% chance of rainfall over the extreme southern tip of the province. You'll see a warmer day in the northeast, 23 degrees for Pretoria and Polokwane, 25 as we head towards Mahikeng, 21 degrees for Johannesburg, and Ermelo remaining cool with a high of 18 degrees. 23 for Bloemfontein and Welkom, with highs in the low and middle 20s over the KwaZulu-Natal interior. It'll be a mild Wednesday afternoon over the Eastern Cape interior, with maximum temperatures peaking in the low 20s. We stick in the low 20s as we head towards the Eastern Cape coastline, with a fresh southwesterly wind. Moderate southwesterly winds are expected for Durban and Richards Bay, both at 25, with a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell along the east coast. 24 degrees for Graaff-Reinet, 22 for Worcester, Robertson and Beaufort West. Light winds are expected as we head towards False Bay, with a south-southwesterly wind and a high of 20 degrees in Muizenberg. You'll see a light moderate southwesterly wind from Hermanus all the way through to Jeffreys Bay, with highs in the upper teens and low 20s, and we'll see a 2 metre southeasterly swell along the south coast. A warm afternoon is in store in Uppington at 28 degrees, 24 as we head towards Springbok and Prieska, and Sutherland with a maximum temperature of 20. Along the west coast, we're forecasting a high of 21 degrees from Alexander Bay through to Cape Town. You'll see a light south-southwesterly wind for Table Bay and Longabon, with a south-southeasterly wind for Alexander Bay at 30 kilometres per hour, and along the west coast we'll see a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell on Wednesday. You'll see the dry weather continuing across South Africa on Thursday, with a bit of cloud over the southern parts, and you'll see most maximum temperatures in the low and middle 20s. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Wednesday.